Welcome, I'm David.
I'm Lindsay,
And this is Desmond's Donders.
Right, wait there, Grace. Wow. Good girl. Wait for your dad. You wishing you'd stayed up the top? Come on then. Come on. Good girl. Up so easy. And there's the cave. A rock pigeons in it. Sorry, moving too fast. Okay, Grace. You okay?
Yep.
You alright? Good girl, come on. Wow. Hiya. Oh great, you get dripped on. Wonderful.
Yeah.
What's this, Grace? Sorry, dog. Deciding dog. Jesus Christ.
What's that?
That was Ted.
That's Ted.
That was Ted.
Jesus. Good. Right, come here. Well, come on.
Come on, Grace, let's go. Oi. Come on, bub. It's alright, Bubba. It's alright.
Wow.
I don't think Grace is that keen on it neither.
Like the floor and have to carry her. You get her back to Liverpool.
Bub. We'll go this way. Come on. I don't think Grace is that keen on it either. Come on, baby. Good girl. It's a bit noisy, isn't it? Worth the walk down the steps, though. Wait a minute. Remember, your mum's not as young as you, mate. Come on. Come on, Grace. Come on, Bubba. Would you not be better with that actually wrapped around your back instead of hanging on your elbow like that?
Yeah, but it falls off my back all the time. However tight I do it up, it just slides off my coat.
Okay. Oh, shut up. I don't think Grace is that keen. She certainly wasn't keen on the noise. Could you imagine if we'd had a lot of rain, how noisy that would be in there?
I've been.
Wow.
I've got a video on my Smoo Cave video, but you don't get the effect of it.
Yeah.
Because obviously it gets lost in the sort of thing of how actual loud. At the entrance there, Ted was cowering. That's how
Wow.
loud it was. He didn't want, and I had to tie him up right here. He would not go, and he was picking him up. He was trying to get out of my arms.
Wow.
So I literally tripped him on.
He's humping Lol again.
Nothing unusual. Oh, come on, Oscar. Oh. Yeah, I mean, it was deafening. You couldn't stay in there too long.
No. Oh, here we go. And before you ask, I don't want a tour, thank you. I don't want a tour. It's over there showing you where they go. No, there isn't until April. They don't do them. Come on, bub. No, you're not going that way. Come on. Up. Good girl. Alright, Grace, it's only Ted. And that is our tour of Smoo Cave.
Smoo Cave is a large combined sea cave and freshwater cave in Durness in the Highlands of Scotland. The name Uamh Smùdha was introduced for purposes of bilingual signage at the site around 2010 and has since received use in Gaelic media. The cave was formed within Early Ordovician dolomites of the Durness Group, also known as Durness Limestone, and the cave was formed along the boundary between the light grey Sangomore Formation and the dark grey mottled Sailmhor Formation, sometimes called Leopard Rock, both of which form part of the Durness Group succession. These horizons close to the formation boundary are characterised by large and abundant chert nodules, which can be found all along the inner stream chamber, where they have been left behind after dissolution of the surrounding dolomite. Archaeological investigations in 1995 turned up Neolithic, Norse and Iron Age artefacts, but the majority of the artefacts from the cave were related to the Viking, Norse or medieval activity. Fish bones, marine shells, plant remains and mammal and bird bones indicating processing and consumption of marine and terrestrial foods. Iron slag and boat nails led archaeologists to surmise that boats were repaired in the sheltered inlet. For radiocarbon dates from Smoo Cave and Glassnappers Cave provide evidence for use of these sites between the 8th and 11th centuries AD.
And welcome to Balnakeil Beach. Should we go this way first? We came here last night, went for a quick walk on the beach, and Phil says the cows have already been off the beach and away. So This is the way Grace and I came last night in the dark for our last walk. It did get very cold last night. The stars were amazing, but unfortunately I don't seem to have the capability of taking pictures without the shakes. And holding the cameras a bit much. Dead girl. So this is a view of the beach. There's parts of it you can't get to. Well, you can as long as you don't mind your feet getting wet. This is the old graveyard. The last time we were here, well, David and I were here on our own. We read the story about the young lad that got hung for being a pirate, I think, and his mother pleaded with the minister to allow him to be buried in the graveyard, and the minister refused but allowed him to be buried outside the walls, and there is supposed to be a marking on the walls of said pirate young lad. Whether he was a pirate or not, I can't remember, but I never did find him. Obviously the graveyard has been extended for more modern graves. And believe it or not, that there is a golf course. People. I'm just gonna go along here and then take Grace down to the beach for a run for a bit, as we're moving on today. I'm gonna try and find somewhere we can stop for 2 days, which will be walking about. Facebook or Facebook groups about the two campers that parked here without using the Motorhome stopovers. But I'm not prepared to pay 15 quid for a piece of ground with nothing on it. There's no proof that it's actually going to get used for the good of the community. As well, so that wouldn't have helped. Good girl, aren't you? Come on, Baba. See what you can see from over here. Oh, you're a duck of some sort, or cormorant, which what? When we went for our first walk this morning, the sand down towards the beach was frozen. That was fun. Oh my God. There's that for you. on, Hub. Come on. Good girl. I'm surprised the beach is quiet this morning. I think the tide's coming in. I'm sure that. Oh, there's a car coming. Here, guys. Good girl. Honestly, some people are so bloody miserable. Well, not really. It's going to be in your eyes. It's not moving. Oh, that'll be why. It's stuck. Honestly. Come on, baby. Stupid thing to do. There you go. Sorry. I had problems with the clips. There's a notice on the gate saying that all Christmas wreaths will be removed by the 10th of February. Well, today's the 8th, and most of them seem to have been removed already. Wait. Imagine the only thing that's keeping that masonry up is the ivy. And killing it at the same time. quite impressive in its day. And a ship, a deer, and a fish. And that says 1619. Wow. You have no idea what this is or whose it is. Very impressive. Come on, guys, let's get out of here before it gets colder. That won't be doing them any good. Straight up, kicker. Try not to walk on the gravestones. Hey, come on. Here we go again. Come on. It's alright. There's the cow. Yeah, you're like me, you don't like small spaces, do you? Come on, kid. And there's the two vans. So like I said, quiet night last night.
Thank you for watching Desmond's Donders. And remember, while in the countryside, indeed anywhere, take nothing but memories and leave nothing but tracks. Please subscribe and click that notification bell to receive notifications of all our videos.